So you were talking about PyTorch kind of being informed by what users are wanting, especially with being able to put models to production. And I was wondering if there are any other features that you hear people kind of like clamoring for, like what kind of demands do you hear now, and maybe like where do you think PyTorch might move in the future?
Yeah, so one thing people do ask for on the research side is when they're exploring new ideas, they don't want to be seeing like a 10x drop in performance. So as an example, in PyTorch you provide an nn.lstm, which gives you a standard LSTM. You can configure the number of layers and like what it does. And it goes really fast because it uses a GPU library called cuDNN, which was written by NVIDIA. And so it's about 10 times faster than if you just handwrite an LSTM with for loops. But the problem that the researchers have been telling us about is that if they want to try some new paper idea, this interface, the LSTM interface, is very limiting because let's say you want to do something like recurrent dropout. Oh, and LSTM doesn't support that. It only supports one formulation in particular. So if they write it as for loops and like with an LSTM cell, they see a 10 times slowdown.
I see.
So their request recently has been, hey, can we do our recurrent nets, be creative, at the same time can get something close to cuDNN performance? That's something that's an interesting request. Again, that comes in through the JIT investment that we did. We're trying to see if we can get users the speeds of cuDNN by stitching high-performance GPU kernels on the fly in the backend, based on what the user's model is. It looks promising, but those are the kind of requests that researchers have been asking for. And one of the things that we heard from startups and also people doing like online courses, they want more interactive tutorials like based on IPython notebooks. Also probably embedding some widgets. They want first-class integration with Colab because you get free GPU hours.
That's true.
Right? They've been asking for support for Google TPUs. These are all the requests we're getting, and we're handling all of them.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like the the main cloud providers that I can think of are happy to support the latest versions of PyTorch for that reason.
Yeah, Amazon, Azure, they made PyTorch a first-class citizen. Google announced support not only for PyTorch being a first-class citizen in GCP, but also they announced TPU support that we've been working with closely with them.
Yeah.
And TensorBoard is going to have PyTorch integration directly as well.
That's great.